popular color. This color is the wooden color. This wooden color will have the textured. You have this textured just like the wood, but you can see this inner structure. It still be the aluminum fence. Material, which is the same, just for different material profile sizes. This one is more bigger. This one is 100 millimeter. This one is 80 millimeter. And we also have a more wider fence material. And this material will be a little different than this material. Because this one is for the gap design. This one is for the full privacy. And this full privacy design. Hello, welcome you friends to our live show. And this one is we'll have this bottom and the top structure, which can connect these two same material connected together. Here we are. We have these two slate, and we just slide these decorations. These two slip together like this. We will fix very tight. Sometimes we need a hammer to connect it. Yeah, just like this. And this one. And this one is for the inner decorations. This one is for the inner decorations, which is the top and the bottom structure will connect it together, and so